Hi everyone, in this part of the tutorial we'll be working on the monster doll's arms. I'll show you how to make one of the arm with step-by-step instructions, and then you'll make the second one exactly the same way, following the same pattern. We start the first row with 6 single crochets into a magic ring. On second row, we have 1 single crochet into the first stitch, an increase into the next one. Repeat this 3 times. This is my first single crochet. Into the next stitch, I will have an increase. So 2 single crochets into the same stitch. 1 and 2. This is my increase. I'll repeat this 2 more times. 1 single crochet and then an increase into the next stitch. By the end of row 2, I will have 9 stitches. Starting with third row until row 10, we will only single crochet around. We will have 9 single crochets per round, and we should have 8 rounds in total of single crochets. Before moving on the next round, so right after round 3, I'm going to insert the plastic handpiece. That way, it's easier to attach the safety part on the back. Once the plastic piece is in place and secured, I'll continue from round 4 up to round 10, working 1 single crochet in each stitch. My first arm is ready. All you need to do for the second one is repeat the exact same steps. If you find it hard to count your rounds while working with this fluffy yarn, I recommend keeping track on a piece of paper or maybe on the phone. Our monster doll's arms are ready and we're all set to move on the legs next Friday.